Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to set the time on your Casio W-218H. This tutorial is going to work for other Casio watch models that feature the 3 buttons, and I'm also going to leave a link in the description box below to the full guide in case you want to learn all about this watch. Now in your home screen, what you want to do is to press the mode button 3 times. This is going to be the alarm. Now we have the stopwatch, and when you press it for the 3rd time, we are going to arrive at setting the time and date. Now here you can see that the seconds are flickering, so flashing, and that means that we can set the seconds. If I press the start stop button, it is going to reset them to 0. If you reset them between 1 and 29, they are going to reset to 0 and no minute is going to be added. If you reset them between 30 and 59, they are going to reset to 0, but also a minute is going to be added. This is something really useful because it also applies to Casio G-Shock watches. So let's try to reset them after 29. As you can see, they reset to 0 and the minute was also added. Now I can set the hours just like this. You can either go one by one or you can press and hold in order to speed scroll. As you can see, I have the 24-hour display, so it is going to show me up to 23. I'm also going to show you how to switch to the 12-hour display. Now I'm going to press the button on the right in order to set the minutes. I can go once again one by one, or to speed scroll, make sure to press and hold. Let's make it 45. I'm going to release it. Then I'm going to press once again. Here you can select the month, the day of the month, and the day of the week. So I'm going to make it January. Let's press the button right here. You can also press and hold once again in order to speed scroll. January. Now let's make it the 1st of January. And it is going to be Monday. Just like that. If you press the button once again, you are going to cycle all around and you are going to arrive once again at setting the seconds, then the minutes, the hours, and the date. In order to finalize the process, we are going to press the mode button and we are done. We have successfully set the time and date on our Casio W-218H. Once again guys, in case you want to watch the full guide, I'm going to leave a link in the description box below, because we can also learn about the alarm, the stopwatch, and that is going to be very useful. Also, in order to switch between the 12-hour display and the 24-hour display, we are going to press the start stop button when we are in our home screen. As you can see here, we have the 24, so we have 21, and now we have 9 p.m. I prefer the 24-hour display, so I'm going to leave it just like that. In case you enjoyed this video guys, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this YouTube channel. It really helps the channel grow. Leave a comment, let me know if you have any difficulties, if you want to see something next on our YouTube channel. I really want to hear your thoughts out. Check out our website vintageradar.com, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale. Once again, thank you for watching. I'm going to see you on the next one.